In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change links in Balsamiq, which should only take about 5 minutes. Let's get started with these simple steps to manage your wireframe links effortlessly. First, you'll want to open your web browser of choice. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you're comfortable using. Once it's open, head up to the search bar and type in Balsamiq. Balsamiq is a popular wireframing tool that many designers use for mockups. When your search results come up, look for the official Balsamiq website. It's usually right at the top of the list, but just to be sure, make sure the URL says balsamiq.com. Go ahead and click on that link to navigate to their site. Now that you're on the Balsamiq homepage, the next thing to do is find the Login button. It's usually located in a prominent spot on the page, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Remember, you'll need your login details handy, which would be your username and password, to access your Balsamiq account. Once you've logged in, it's time to find the wireframe project you want to edit. Within your project, locate the specific button, icon, or any other clickable UI element that you're looking to change the link for. This is the key piece of your wireframe that will guide users to other parts of your design or to external sites. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Property Inspector. If the Link drop-down menu isn't immediately visible, don't worry. You just need to click on the Links tab to bring it up. This is where you'll manage all the link modifications for your wireframe. When it comes to changing the link, you have a couple of options. If you want to link to another wireframe within your project, simply select the correct wireframe from the list provided. This is a great way to maintain flow within your design by smoothly transitioning users between different screens or components. Alternatively, if you want to connect your UI element to an external website, the process is just as easy. In the Link dropdown, select the option that lets you input an external URL. Enter the full website address you want to link to, ensuring it's correctly formatted so it directs users exactly where you intend. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to change links in Balsamiq. Whether you're linking to other wireframes or external websites, these steps will help you manage and navigate your designs seamlessly. Good luck with your project, and thanks for watching.